Did you know that the American Civil War was sparked by a single question? Should the United States allow slavery to continue? This conflict would not only define a nation, but also change the course of history forever. The Civil War erupted in 1861, rooted in deep-seated issues of slavery, states' rights, and economic differences between the North and South. Tensions escalated after Abraham Lincoln's election in 1860, prompting Southern states to secede. Key events such as the battles of Gettysburg and Antietam marked turning points in the war. The Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 declared freedom for slaves in Confederate states, altering the war's moral compass. Important figures like President Abraham Lincoln and General Robert E. Lee played pivotal roles. Lincoln aimed to preserve the Union, while Lee led the Confederate Army, embodying the struggle between two ideologies. The Civil War's legacy is profound, leading to the abolition of slavery and significant social changes. It set the stage for future civil rights movements, shaping America into a more unified nation. Today, the Civil War's impact still resonates. Discussions about race, equality, and national identity continue to be relevant, reminding us of the lessons learned from that tumultuous period.